Just click the link in my description and sign up today. The first 100 new users who join through my link will instantly receive a $20 futures bonus. The crypto world moves fast, and if your exchange can't keep up, you lose opportunities. But what if there was a platform built for speed, security, and rewards? That's exactly what EasiCoin delivers. Welcome to the future of trading, where every second counts and every trade matters. So, what is EasiCoin? It's a next-generation exchange designed to make trading simple, fast, and rewarding. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or already a pro trader, EasiCoin gives you all the tools you need to succeed. From spot and futures trading to powerful leverage up to 200 times, this platform opens the door to serious opportunities. And now, EasiCoin is bringing even more to the table. New users get exclusive benefits that make joining the platform a no-brainer. There's a special welcome bonus for first deposits, a Bitcoin transaction compensation package, and even an Ethereum 10th anniversary airdrop to celebrate one of the biggest milestones in crypto history. On top of that, EasiCoin is constantly introducing opportunities for traders to capture rewards while they trade. But why choose EasiCoin over countless other exchanges? The answer is clear. EasiCoin was built for precision and performance. Trades are executed in milliseconds, ensuring you never miss a market move. The system provides deep liquidity and stable execution, removing the frustration of slippage. Security is also unmatched, with multi-layer encryption, separation of hot and cold wallets, and a track record of zero downtime since launch. It's fast, it's safe, and it's reliable. Everything a trader needs. EasiCoin, in collaboration with Crypto Chronicles, is rolling out an exclusive new user welcome bonus campaign, running from August 25th to September 15th, 2025. Here's what makes it exciting. The first 100 users to sign up will instantly receive a $20 futures bonus just for joining. But it doesn't stop there. When you make your first deposit within 3 days, you'll unlock a 20% deposit bonus. That's 20 USDT for a 100 deposit, 100 USDT for 500, and up to 400 USDT extra when you deposit 2,000. And for the active traders, EasiCoin has built-in massive trading rewards. The more you trade, the bigger your bonus. For example, 50,000 USDT in trading volume earns 5 USDT, while the highest tier, 100 million USDT traded, unlocks a huge 6,000 USDT futures bonus. This is EasiCoin's way of welcoming new users and rewarding commitment from day one. Fast, rewarding, and secure. Start your journey today at EasiCoin. So why wait? Just click the link in my description and sign up today. The first 100 new users who join through my link will instantly receive a $20 futures bonus. Getting started is simple. Enter your email or mobile number, set a secure password, and you're ready to trade within minutes. Once inside, head over to the futures trading page. You'll notice right away how clean, smooth, and user-friendly the interface is. EasiCoin gives you powerful tools like cross-merge mode with up to 200x leverage, designed for traders who want to maximize their opportunities. And the best part? You can manage risk with precision. With built-in features like stop loss and take profit, you can protect your trades and lock in profits effortlessly. Whether you're placing market orders or setting custom limits, EasiCoin makes professional-level trading simple, fast, and secure. So, if you've been searching for an exchange that combines speed, security, and real rewards, EasiCoin is the platform to watch. This is more than just trading. It's the gateway to your next big opportunity. Don't forget, new users who sign up through my link in the description can unlock up to 4 exclusive bonuses, but only for a limited time. So take action now, claim your rewards, and start trading smarter with EasiCoin. And before you go, make sure to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to Crypto Chronicles for more in-depth crypto insights. Until next time, trade safe and stay ahead.